Hey there, welcome back to our channel where we explore all things related to farming and agriculture. Today, we're going to talk about the incredible benefits of livestock farming that you may not know about. 1. Livestock farming provides a vital source of nutritious food for people around the world. 2. It plays a crucial role in ensuring food security by producing a steady supply of meat, milk, and eggs. 3. Livestock farming also contributes to rural development, providing employment opportunities in rural areas. 4. It supports the economy through the sale of livestock products and the creation of processing and distribution channels. 5. Additionally, livestock farming helps maintain biodiversity by preserving traditional livestock breeds that are well adapted to local environments. 6. Livestock waste can be transformed into valuable organic fertilizer, reducing the need for synthetic fertilizers. 7. Through rotational grazing, livestock farming can improve soil health and reduce the risk of erosion. 8. Animals like cows can also help with weed control, reducing the need for herbicides. 9. Livestock farming helps in the production of bioenergy through the generation of biogas from manure. 10. Last but not least, livestock farming promotes sustainable land use by utilizing marginal lands unsuitable for crop production. So, as you can see, livestock farming has numerous benefits for both humans and the environment.